Welcome. In this video, we'll talk about adding images to our web pages. So our web pages will just look like HTML3, 2 that hardly had web pages. So if you want to know, you can check that on Google. So our web pages make sense. They look sharp and very beautiful using images. So how can we use images in our HTML? First of all, let me show you a website where you can download cool images at good quality and resolution. So first of all, let us head to pixabay.com. So Pixabay has so much images for you. Okay, so you have stunning free images and royalty free stocks. So each and every image in Pixabay, it's of high quality and resolution. So you could always use Pixabay with trust in Pixabay in getting nice images. So we also have pixels.com, pixels. We also have pixels.com. Sorry, pixels. Pixels.com. We have this website also where you can download nice images. Just sign in quickly and you get really nice images at nice resolutions. Okay, so let's go back to Pixabay, pixabay.com. So let us look for a landscape. Fine. Let's go with the first image there. They really have nice images, by the way. So let us go to pixels.com first of all. Let us type in landscape. I'm trying to look for quality images. So if you check on, if you first of all check Pixabay and you don't find a quality image, you can always come to Pixel. If you really need high quality image, I expect you to come to pixel.com and you get image at high quality. Okay, you're gonna get 4K 8K images right here on pixel.com. Even videos, you're gonna get 4K videos. This is actually a 4K video. Same with this and this. So even this, most videos here are 4K, except you stipulate that it shouldn't be 4K. So after downloading the image, you drag the image, and if you're using the Mac, it should come here automatically. Okay. Now with your image here, you drag onto your file. Okay. You go back to, so this is our image on our VS Code. After downloading, we just drag straight to VS Code. Okay. So you just need to make sure that the image is in your folder this way. So if you can't drag and drop, you can manually go and copy and paste the image from your download to the folder in your desktop. So after doing this, let's delete this whole HU stuff. It's random stuff. Okay. Okay. So now to add in an image, there's a tag for that, and the tag is img. So when you type in img, you also have to define the source. So our link, we have to define the href, and for our image, we have to define the source. So the source means where is it coming from? Okay, so we can link to images externally, and we can also link to images internally. Now, internally refers to images on our engine, images on our PC. Externally refers to images on the web. For now, we'll go with images internally. So, anchor, which is the link tag, and the image tag, they are all example of self-closing tag, like our doctype HTML tag. So, dot slash. So to trace our image now that is currently in our folder, we say dot slash. Now the dot slash here is simply telling the computer that it should leave this folder and go outside, leave this file, sorry, and go outside to look for this file. And when it sees it, and when it sees this file, it should display this file in our HTML. So let's go. So wait a bit, and our image shows up. But we notice something. The image is not controlled and it has lost its resolution. That is fine. It can be easily controlled. Now, to control the image, we have to go into mini CSS. So we need to define something that is called style. But before we go into this, the ALT here means alternative. So our image, we have a landscape. So we could just type landscape. So this will show if the user doesn't have a strong internet connection to load up the image, or it's blind, the user is maybe an infirm person, such as a blind person. So the screen reader would be able to tell the person that this is an image and it's a picture, it's a landscape picture. So thereby not depriving an impaired person the opportunity to be able to enjoy some features in our website. Okay, so now going to our style, we could say the width should be 500 pixels. If we don't set the height, it automatically set, but it will not be fine. So let us go with height. Height the same 500 pixels, and we'll have a nice square. So if you really want to leave yours that way, you could do so. Let us just give it, it's a very big image. Let us say 1,000 pixel. Okay, I even said 5,000. Let's leave it at 800. It was a mistake. Okay, now let's check our Chrome, and this is how our image will look like. So let's stretch the image a bit by using 1,000 and 1,000. Let's say 1,002, 1,002. Save. Go to our Chrome and check. So our image should reload, and here we go. So if you're using a square pattern, you would have to increase the width and height too much. But if we allow the HTML to take care of the height while we set the width, such as doing something like this, and we save, just wait a minute for it to load, then the HTML, the browser, sorry, automatically take care of the heights. So it will use the height that is suitable to display the image without stretching it that much and without losing the proper value of the image. So this is a way we can add images to a web page, and we see only this image has just made this website a really nice, even though we have no CSS, but it's looking good. So in next video, we're talking about the inline and the block elements. So I'll see you there.